Hi, sir.
They took it. Yes. No, it was left because they were able to restore it. So we have the pleasure of having a song our guest book. Practically the history of Manila, which also depicts the history of
Hi, Your Excellency.
Excellency, Mayor.
Hi. Welcome.
Thank you very much for receiving me.
No, thank you. I'm honored. We are honored.
My pleasure.
I would like you to meet our
Yes, sir.
the mayor. He's also a Spanish blood.
Oh, really?
Sacan.
Long time ago.
And of course, our chief of staff. Please. Halika, yung delegado niya. Please. Hi, welcome. Welcome. Please come. Please. Sit. How are you?
Very well, very well. Manila is really easy.
Yeah, Manila is very close.
Definitely. Manila can even closer.
Yeah, very close. Most of our memories still existing. And our only way as a city government that really try to protect the remnants of things in the past. Hopefully, the national government and the local government works hand in hand, particularly Intramuros. But that's where it started everything. And I'm very happy that First Lady initiated the program in the Riverside with the semblance of the past design all the way to our Acapulco, Manila Trail area, that area. So there's a development there for tourism. So we're very grateful. I attended one of the opening of the new development in that area. So I'm hoping it will continue all the way to the Delta, or we used to call it Delta, now Pasig, all the way to the tip of Intramuros, Port Chanchaco area. How are you?
Very well, very well. As a matter of fact, I also cherish very much the old idea, in particular the Intramuros. So we have a very close relation with the administration of Intramuros. We are trying to bring there as many cultural activity as we can. We have an Instituto Cervantes there. Now there is a new Centro de Turismo of Intramuros, and we have land an exhibition on 400 Spanish engineering offices that will be displayed there permanently. And we have a lot of projects, from concerts to restoration and everything. So we are definitely very interested in Intramuros. And also, as you mentioned, in the Pacific River, we have 3 very beautiful initiatives in Spain on recoveries of river that were just like the Pacific, completely polluted, which were Madrid, Bilbao, and Valencia. Of the 3, the more similar to the Pacific River is Bilbao. And I was the other day with the mayor of Tajín, and she already has Bilbao also on her mind. So if for some reason we visit Spain and...
I've never visited Spain yet.
Every Filipino should visit once Spain and once Mexico.
Yes. Our heritage came from.
You have so many reminiscences all around there, the streets, the names, everything.
My daughter and my wife loves going to Spain because they went there already without me. I always work. So, but they told me it's really beautiful places.
No, and we are being successful in getting together Spanish and Filipino institutions such as the National Historic Commission, the National Museum, the new Museum de Galeón that will be in the Mall of Asia. There are several projects on museums, and now the National Institute of Geography in Spain, the Naval Museum in Madrid, our National Library, all of them has a lot of documents, maps, etc. from the Philippines. And it hasn't been properly studied yet. So have a beautiful work to do together.
If you have activities in Manila, we're happy to share and participate.
Okay, we will keep you in the loop so that you know, because we even organize electronic music concerts, because it's not only about heritage. Culture has to be amusing, has to attract young people, and so we organized last year a super nice concert on electronic music in Intramuros, and we are doing the next one on the 13th of September.
Only also in Intramuros.
Also in Intramuros. A different location, but also in Intramuros.
If we have some activities, we can utilize Metropolitan Theater.
Metropolitan Theater is one of the iconic theaters in the city of Manila.
It's already built and restored. We will conduct some activities there also for cultural and all other things in the area soon. So we can help extend the assistance to the embassy when you wanted to use the space for shows.
They used to use that theater for Zarzuela.
For Zarzuela.
Yeah, in the old days.
The old days. Even our activities are called Spanish called Zarzuela.
Well, at that time it was in Filipino-Spanish. Secretary Manalo from Foreign Affairs organized last year in San Agustin a beautiful concert on the Filipino music in the Hispanic crown. And it was beautiful because it was just the same thing that we were doing in Spain at that period. It was beautiful, and there was even una cantata of Zarzuela written by Luzaro.
Right.
In the repertoire.
Yes. That used to be the very popular theater in the Philippines. But the mayor restored it through the Department of Tourism
and NCCA, NSI, all the national agency at the time try to participate and collaborate for them leading the restoration. Now, in our case, there is an adjacent property, a street underutilized. After that, there is what you call Arroceros Park. So